You have likely heard the term grant and aid in the context of college tuition or government policy. Let's look at what this actually means. At its core, a grant is a transfer of money that generally does not need to be paid back, provided the recipient follows the rules. The scale of these transfers is massive. Governments use these funds to influence specific outcomes without directly managing every local project. Unlike a loan, you do not pay this back. However, you must prove that the money was used exactly for the intended purpose. The biggest difference is the financial burden. Loans add debt and interest, while grants provide capital without the long-term repayment obligation. Most grant and aid programs focus on these three pillars: supporting students, building public infrastructure, and funding scientific or social research. Always remember that while it is free money, it is never free of responsibility. Documentation is key to maintaining eligibility. Understanding how these systems work can help you navigate funding opportunities for your own education or business. Subscribe for more money basics.